Let's learn shapes. One by one. Circle, circle, round and round. Circle, circle, on the ground.
Square, square, four straight sides. Square, square, big and wide.
Triangle, triangle, 1, 2, 3. Triangle, triangle, look and see.
Rectangle, rectangle, long and tall.
Rectangle, rectangle,
On the wall. Star, star, shine so bright. Star, star, night, night, night.
night.